Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So today we are here checking out awesome widget app for the iPhone called Blank Spaces. And Blank Spaces is going to take your minimalist setup on the iPhone to the next level. So let's check it out. So this is it. So it doesn't look like a widget or anything like that, just because of the wallpaper and everything. It doesn't. It looks like just a normal setup right here, and it looks way different than any other widget app that I have seen right now in the App Store. So blank spaces is pretty much pretty much of course a widget that allows you to open apps, whatever app you want to have on your home screen. So here are some examples, of course, that I have. So I have Things, Twitter, Notes, and YouTube. But if you want to add other third-party apps, you can do it just by tapping the plus button and then add whatever third-party application you want. So let's say you want Apollo, it will be right there, Apollo, and that's pretty much it. And then it'll be ready for you to use. So there you go, open. And there you go, it automatically opens it up right there, so you don't have to have the app, the main app on the main home screen. If you just want to have a minimalist setup and only have applications that you only need to use, so you could be focused and and have a productivity setup, of course, on the iPhone. So yeah, it works very well. So if I click on things, it opens up things. If I open up YouTube, it opens up YouTube as well. There is some bugs, of course, still that I have found sometimes. Like if I open Twitter, of course, if for some reason it doesn't open Twitter, it opens instead the app of the widget of blank spaces right here. So it does suck sometimes. But yeah, it works right now. So if you're looking for a super minimalist setup to help you get there, then I highly recommend you guys go check out Blank Spaces, because it will get you there, and it just helps you stay focused as well and have only the important apps that you want to have on your main home screen when you're doing your work or something, and you don't want to get distracted, or you just want to have a super simple setup on your iPhone. Then this widget is for you, because it will do that for you. So there's other cool neat features, of course, with this widget app. Of course, is first off, of course, is that of course you could delete stuff. So if you want, you could delete the ad, you could delete it right here and add, of course, whatever third-party app you want to have instead on the main homepage on the widget, of course. But let's say an app is not listed right here. The ones are already pre-made here. Is you can actually add your own. So you can go here, and by using the shortcut app, you could create a shortcut to import the shortcut into the app. So what I like about it, what the developer did right here, is that you also get to see a help area. So if you want to know how to create a shortcut to be imported to the app, it shows you right here step by step of what you need to do to import that shortcut and have it used, so that you can have that app open up. So that's a really cool, neat little feature that the developer did, which I'm very happy to see, because as somebody who's not a pro shortcut user, it is a very important little help area right there for me to have every time I want to import a shortcut. And next we have, of course, is in the settings area. So if you want to have a wallpaper, you can have your own custom wallpaper as well if you want. But what I like about it is that you can actually get the wallpaper. So if you want to get the same wallpaper that I'm currently using right now, the developer actually added a link to the light version of it and then the dark version of the wallpaper as well. So you can have both right there, which is, super neat. And then, of course, another cool feature, of course, is color changes. If you want, you could change the color changes, or add your own custom color change. You could change the font up if you want. You could do customization. You could choose where you want the font, the sizes and everything, which is also a very cool little customization feature as well. So the app is free to download for the first 2 weeks. The developer does give a free trial, but then after that you can subscribe to it. So you can either subscribe per month or pay a lifetime price, which I highly recommend if you guys get to use this app for your productivity, to boost your productivity and boost your minimalist setup on the iPhone. Then this app might be for you. And then of course you'll get, of course, new features, and just just if you're going to use it, it's going to be worth it then. And that's pretty much it for this app. It's very simple. It's a cool widget that, like I said, allows you to step up your setup game on the iPhone, and also of course boost your productivity as well on the iPhone if you want to stay focused and only have the important apps that you need to have on the main home screen, so you don't like that you're not cluttered with everything on your iPhone with all those apps that you have installed on it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, it will mean the world to me that if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.